Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video we're going to go over the things that you have to go over after a dyno session, after you go drag racing. So there's a few things that we have to do in maintenance whenever we're doing so much power, and we'll go over them today. So here, hold the camera. It's my son. Say hi.
Hi.
So, first thing we do, we replace the plugs. The plugs that we use are copper plugs, and show them. I don't think so. These are the plugs that I use, and they're copper plugs, so they're not iridium. So you have to replace these plugs at least every time we go out. They're cheap kind of plugs, so we kind of replace them. We took the filter out, and you take the filter up and you cut it into pieces. Show them here. Let me grab it for a sec. So we take the filter and we cut the element out, and we make sure there's no big pieces inside, and it looks pretty good. There's some blue. This is the stuff that the machinists use to mark the bolts that they torque down. There's some red. That's probably Loctite. But overall it's very clean. There's some silver. There's like 2 or 3 parts of silver, and that's probably from the block machining, which is normal. But yeah, there's no bearing material, and it's very clean. So change the filter, change the plugs, we drain the oil, and we put fresh oil in it. The problem using methanol fuel, so this car we're on VP M1, that's the fuel that I use. It dilutes the oil a lot, so you have to replace the oil pretty much every time you go out. So the oil is out, replaced. The oil filter has been replaced also, and the machine shop told me to retorque the head a couple times. So we retorqued it. We retorqued it the first time when after we warmed it up. Then we're gonna retorque it after the dyno. So that would be the last one we retorque it. But yeah, those are kind of the maintenance items that we do on it. One more thing. I have a catch can hose there. That thing filled up a little bit, and even the catch can there kind of had some oil in it. But yeah, apart that, it's all good. Car ran great. I did a compression test, and it was 170 on all 6, so very happy there. The car made absolutely really good power, so did great. So yeah, so those are the things that we have to do each time we go to the track, unfortunately. And an engine like this requires a lot of maintenance, but very happy with the outcome. So we're gonna be taking it out on the 26th of this month. Stay tuned. All right, take care.